Sesame Street Nature Explorers! Hi there! Elmo and Gabrielle were just about to go exploring in the park to see what nature friends we can find.
There are lots of different animals that live in the park, and if you look closely, you can find them using the clues they leave behind.
Ooh, I love looking for clues.
This sounds like a job for Nature Explorers ready to explore! Come on, let's go!
I don't see any animals.
Remember?
Let's look around at the pond's edge. Let's look through the binoculars to take a closer look. Hey, that looks like a clue.
It looks like something that's been eaten. That tells us it's an animal that eats shrubs. Let's add this clue to our notebook.
Let's add a nature rubbing to our notebook. Something that's been eaten.
I wonder what kind of animal eats shrubs.
Let's look through the binoculars to take a closer look. Oh, we already found that clue. Keep looking for clues.
Keep looking for clues.
Another clue.
It looks like a puddle. That tells us it's an animal that likes water. Let's add this clue to our notebook.
Draw on the page to add the clue to our notebook.
Did you know some animals live both in the water and on land?
I wonder what kind of animal likes water.
Let's look through the binoculars to take a closer look. Oh, we already found that clue. Keep looking for clues. Oh, we already found that clue. Keep looking for clues.
Keep looking for
another clue.
Let's look through the magnifying glass to get an even closer look.
Oh, look! It's a bit of shell left behind. So Elmo thinks it's an animal that sheds its scutes. Elmo thinks we should add this clue to our notebook.
Trace the line to draw the clue in our notebook.
Did you know some animals molt? That means shedding.
You did it. You added a bit of shell left behind.
Elmo wonders what kind of animal sheds its scutes. Elmo thinks it's time to put these clues together to figure out what animal it is.
So what did you observe, Nature Explorers?
Well, first, Elmo and Gabrielle found something that's been eaten.
Then we found a puddle.
And we also found a bit of shell left behind.
What animal eats shrubs, likes water, and sheds its scutes? I don't think that's the animal we're looking for. Try again.
Remember, we're looking for the animal that eats shrubs, likes water, and sheds its scutes.
turtle.
Way to go!
Nice work, nature explorers. Did you know a turtle cannot come out of its shell because the shell is attached to its backbone?
Let's keep exploring! Tap on the binoculars to take a closer look.
Let's see what we can find at the pond's edge.
Move the binoculars around to get a closer... Hey! That looks like a clue! Ooh, look! It's something that's been eaten. So Elmo thinks it's an animal that eats water plants. You did it! You added something that's been eaten.
I wonder what kind of animal eats water plants. Keep looking for clues.
Keep looking for clues.
A clue! It looks like some footprints. That tells us it's an animal that leaves these kinds of footprints.
Did you know every type of animal has their own unique footprint?
You did it! You added some footprints.
I wonder what kind of animal leaves these kinds of footprints.
Another clue. Ooh, look! It's a nest. So Elmo thinks it's an animal that lives in a nest.
Did you know some animals build nests in trees while others live underground or even in the water?
You did it! You added a nest.
I wonder what kind of animal
Lives in a nest.
Let's try putting all these clues together to figure out what animal it is.
So what did you observe, nature explorers?
Well, first, Elmo and Gabrielle found something that's been eaten.
Then we found some footprints.
And we also found a nest.
What animal eats water plants, leaves these kinds of footprints, and
Lives in a nest.
I don't think that's the animal we're looking for. Try again.
Goose.
Way to go!
Nice work, nature explorers. Did you know geese usually fly in groups of 6? Mom goose, dad goose, and 4 goslings, which are young geese.
Elmo loves learning about animals. It's getting dark. Elmo wonders what animals we can find now.